This is a Primos Old Crow call. Simple blister pack. Got some instructions on the back. It's made in the USA. Quite an unusual exterior on this one. Pretty colours. I'm not sure what it's made from. Bit hard to say. I can't see any moulding marks, so it might even be made of wood and then stained. The interior part has got a feel of rough wood to it, although it's quite smooth on the outside. Quite pretty looking. The mouthpiece is plastic. Now I think all that's left for me to do really is read the instructions, see what it says, learn how to make a crow call, and then practice and see if it's any good. Another day I shall take the crow call out into the field. I shall film so you can hear what it sounds like, and you can see if it entices the crows closer. See if it does actually work. That's for another day though. First of all I need to make the crow call and practice it and see if I can actually attract any crows. Let's see how it goes.